Hello, my name is Christelle, I'm French and I'm making a series of videos about my trip to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 29 of this series and we are going to see 2 days in this part. If you want to learn more about why I went to Japan in 2012 and why I'm only sharing this now, I recommend that you watch part 1 of this series, which is the introduction. So here is Japan and Tokyo is here. Throughout this series of videos, I'm using the notes that I wrote back in 2012 in French. Samedi 25 août 2012. Matin repos. So that is a closer view at Tokyo and Kosuge is there. Kosuge Station and the house is somewhere there. Partie de la maison à 12h50 pour le musée des arts modernes de Tokyo. So I'm walking from the house here to Kosuge Station to take the train. So the Museum of Modern Arts, apparently it's there. So right next to the Imperial Palace and right in the center of Tokyo. And so there is this garden all around.
Là, je suis dans l'arrondissement de Chiyoda.
I am in the Chiyoda district, going towards the Museum of Modern Art of Tokyo. Alright, yeah, that's the water that's around around the gardens and the Imperial Palace. Alright, so that's it. That's the museum. Collection gallery is now closed for renovation, July 30 to October 15. I think it's closed. That's stupid because I didn't have a laptop, so I couldn't look on the website to see if it was open. I'm going to go around just to make sure it's really closed. There are things outside. You can really see badly from here. Alright. Mais il est fermé pour cause de changement d'exposition. Donc, balade dans le jardin, puis rentrer vers 15h. So, that's the map of the Marunouchi district, of the park of the Imperial Palace. So I'm here, and I want to go, try to go there, where there are the craft galleries that are linked to the Modern Art Museum. So this map of the area tells me that my map is wrong because the craft galleries are there and I'm supposed to be there. So I don't know, I think I'm just going to walk in the gardens and the Imperial Palace is down there. You can hear the cicadas because it was so hot. Why am I filming while I am walking? Terrible filming at the time. Just for a reminder, if you haven't watched the previous videos, I was just starting with photos and videos. That's cute. That's a cute path. Very tall. That's bamboo. Really tall. There you go, so that's it for this day. It's not really a lot. I think I was really started to be really tired from this trip. It was the end of it. And then back to Kosuge Station and back to the house there. Now let's move on to the second day of this part. Dimanche 26 août 2012. Journée rangement des bagages et nettoyage des vitres. Je suis juste sortie vers 16h pour acheter du fromage blanc au Tobu Store. So on Sunday, I just stayed at the house there and I just went out for groceries either at the Tobu store right under the Kosuge train station or to the 7-Eleven. I am tidying because tomorrow I'm leaving Tokyo. So I need to tidy my bag, to pack my bags. So I'm doing a lunch break. I think it's fish and noodles. Yeah, great noodles. So that's the dinner tonight. So that's takoyaki with ravioli. Yeah, that's probably my favorite Japanese food, so yeah. Wonderful ravioli. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. It was a little bit shorter than usually because it was the end of the trip. I was starting to be tired and yeah, I was about to leave, but it's not my last video about Tokyo because the trip is not completely finished. I have more things to see before I leave Japan, so you will see that in the next video. Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.